I know my love would love my career, and I'd love to my career to be loved. So it's the emotions that matter to me and not the gift. So I see the emotion behind the gifts, and so that's why I don't judge rate my gifts.
Nayan Shukla from Gujarat.
Right.
शादी के लिए कैसी लड़की ढूंढ रहे हो? What is the true meaning of love? And by the way, I'm your बड़ा वाला AC.
How sweet. Okay, so शादी के लिए मैं फिलहाल किसी को ढूंढ नहीं रहा हूँ. Secondly, second क्या था कि
true meaning
what
of
is
love?
True meaning of love? I think love is when it is out of what a person looks like, what a person does. When I stop judging somebody and accepting the person's the way they are, is when you are in love. And when you stop when happiness comes with just that, with the presence of that person, is when there is love, and that's when it is love. And unless when you start looking in for somebody with an outer beauty, the only problem is that it'll keep changing and you'll find somebody better. So it's always better that someone who's got a good heart and who's more real. People who are real are the ones that connect most. So for me, the meaning of love would just be a beautiful mind, beautiful soul is the person that you automatically fall in love with.
This is Aarti from Mumbai. If you ever have to choose between your love and career, what will you choose?
I know my love would love my career, and I'd love to my career to be loved. So I don't see that as a problem.
This is Binti. Is there any chance to see him work with Rashmi again? They have electrifying chemistry.
I really don't know. I really don't know how I wish I could answer that, but I'm not a producer, and I don't think I can talk about that.
What about the electrifying chemistry part?
I mean, it's wonderful if people see that. That's good. I'm happy. That means that's a job well done.
Okay, this is Rani from Indore.
Right.
So she is having 6 questions.
Okay.
I'll take 3 because they are very good questions. I'll take maybe 3. What is something that he would like to be remembered for the most?
What would I be wanting? That I was a good human being. If that's what people happen to remember about me, I'd feel great about that. Because that's what we've all come here to be. And, this is exactly what we're not. So if people remember me being a good human being, I'd be more than happy about that.
What is his biggest fear? So this is the second question of Rani.
What is my biggest fear? I don't know. Like I said, my desires and wants are very limited. So I don't really have a lot of fears. Yeah, man, honestly, I don't really have a lot of fears. Of course, you want everybody in your family to be around and be happy and be good and be healthy. And if one of those do not happen, and people around you who your well-wishers, if something goes wrong with them, yeah, that's my fear. Possibly that nothing goes wrong with them. And yeah.
Okay, so the last question that I'm taking from Rani is a special message for his fangirls, please.
Fangirls, I don't think I like to limit it to fangirls only. So everybody who's really been appreciative of me, I really want the best for them, and I really want them to be happy, and I really want them to be one, and I really want them to be with me forever. And they watch my back and be with me, because that makes me a lot stronger, and that keeps me on my toes, and that makes me realize that that makes me very conscious that, whatever I do, I hope I do not offend people or hurt people, because I know, your people who are following you watch you very minutely, and that's what I've learned. And I think that just keeps me on my toes, that I do not happen to do anything wrong, and just makes me a better human being. So they are the reason why I feel that way and become like that, and I'm just happy about that, and I just want them to be happy.
Name is Nidhi from Gujarat.
All right.
What is the best gift you've ever received, and who was it from?
I don't really judge gifts, because it's a lot of emotions, and each person who's gifted or has said something sweet, I know the place that they come from. So it's the emotions that matter to me and not the gift. So I see the emotion behind the gifts, and so that's why I don't judge rate my gifts.
Okay,
It's the
this is
time that the best. Sorry, the best gift is the time that they happen to spend on me.
Subha from Dublin, Ireland. If you're invited to a TED Talk, what is the topic that you would want to speak on?
I don't know if I'm good enough to talk about things here. I don't know, maybe a topic given to me is when I can best speak on it. But just out of blue, asking me to talk about something, I really wouldn't know him, because I don't think I'm that smart enough to know or maybe say the right things. So I'd just leave it to the people, and then I'd realize whether I'd be able to know whether I could speak about it or not. Yeah.
This is Zakira from Mumbai. What's your take on dominating fans who try to dictate their idol to do so and so things? At any point, do you get annoyed by such fans?
It's not annoying, but sometimes you just feel that why are they telling me? You know what happens is a lot of people who start following you or have started following you is for the person that you are, right? And when you happen to make choices, one needs to understand that a lot of times they would not know a lot of things that happen around it. So the choices one makes, like for instance, the choices that I would possibly make in my life is going to be, of course, thought over. I understand where fans come from and when they happen to say things and when they want to, then because they do not want you to be heard, they don't want you to get the brunt of it, they do not want you to be on the losing side. So I completely understand their love, but sometimes it becomes difficult to sit down and make everybody understand or make them understand that if you've taken a step somewhere, it is for a good reason, which is well thought of and is the best. That's the reason why one's doing it. Of course, there's so many minds, there's so many brains, there's so many people, and they're coming from different parts of the world, and there's so much little limited that they know. So that's the reason why they happen to have their views with that, and where my views are for everything that's around me. So that's when I happen to take a decision. Sometimes I just feel sorry that they're not on the same page with you, but such is life.
This is my name is Kuldeep from Modasa.
Okay.
भाई मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि मैं अपने आइडल सिद्धार्थ सर की तरह बनना चाहता हूं, तो मैं उनके हेयर, स्माइल, नेचर टोटली कॉपी करता हूं. तो ये चीजें सही है कि नहीं सर? कि पूछना प्लीज, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी एंड माय करियर. तो ये आपने आपके
नहीं, आप मुझे अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा थैंक यू. और क्योंकि आप ये करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप मुझे अच्छा फील कराने का मौका देते हैं, लेकिन आपको मेरी तरह बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप खुद की तरह बनिए और आप मुझसे बेहतर बनेंगे, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप मुझसे बहुत बेहतर बनेंगे और बहुत बेहतर होंगे. तो आपको मेरी तरह बन के अपने आप को लिमिट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा बन सकते हैं.
Okay, this is Khushi from Nagpur. What is one message you would give to your fans?
That y'all are a very big support in my life, and it just feels wonderful to have you all around. And as an actor, this is all what one dreams for. And when you see that realized, and when you have people, it just feels wonderful. And I just want you all to stay together, stay united, and stay happy, stay blessed, and make everybody around you feel wonderful about you.